Said the night went to a little lamb. Do you see what I see? Way up in the sky, a little lamb. Do you see what I see? A star, high above the earth, with a tail as big as a kite, with a tail as big as a kite. Said the little lamb to a shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear? Ringing through the sky, shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear? A song, high above the trees, with a voice as big as the sea, as big as the sea. Said the shepherd boy to a mighty king, do you know what I know? In your palace for mighty king, do you know what I know? The child shivers in the cold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Let us bring him silver and gold. And the king to the people everywhere, listen to what I say. Pray peace, people everywhere, listen to what I say. Sleeping in the night, he will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness and light. The child, sleeping in the night, she will bring us goodness and light. She will bring us goodness and light.
Imagine if our kings, our government, our leaders said, pray for peace. Imagine if that was the political message. Pray for peace, people everywhere.
Yeah.